As children, we have seen about the multiplication of fraction. Now we will continue with the same thing. Some examples are given on the page number 39 that we will continue. The A example, it is given. First example they have solved already, so we will do the second example. Second example is 3 upon 7 multiplied by 4 upon 7. Here what we have to do, multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. That is 3 4s are 12 and 7 7s are 49. So you will have the answer 12 upon 49. So as it is 12 upon 49, 49 is a prime number, so we can't reduce the number, so this will be your final answer. Now if we have to do this, now we will see the third sum, 8 upon 15 and 3 upon 4. That is 8 multiplied by 3 upon 15 multiplied by 4. So you will get the answer here as 8 3s are 24 and 15 4s are 60. Now what if we have to do? We have to reduce it to the lowest term. So as children, if you will divide it by 2, then again you will divide it by 2. You have to observe it that where you will get the lowest term. So what we can do here, that we can find the HCF and we can directly divide it by, and then we can get the final answer. So as we know, the long division method also we have learned. So we will use that only. That will help us a lot. That is 24 upon 60. We were having this answer. So what we will do? We will directly use the long division method. That is, the 60 is the biggest number and 24 is the smallest number. So we will write that, and then we will do according to that. That is 24 2s will have 48. Then 24 3s will have 72. That is the bigger number, so we will do 2s, that is 48. Then 60 minus 48, 10 minus 8 2, and 5 minus 4 1. As you will have here 12, it is smallest number, so your divisor will become your dividend. Then 12 2s are 24, and so 24 minus 24 0. So this is your last divisor. So 12 is your last divisor, so it is your HCF. So you have to divide 24 upon 60. As you get the answer 24 upon 60, you can divide both the numbers by 12 and you will get the answer, that is 2 upon 5. So in this way you have to do it, so that it will easily you will get the answer. Next is 6 upon 15 multiplied by 8 upon 12. So multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So you will multiply 6 multiplied by 8. You will get the answer, that is what, just a second. You will get the answer 48. As it is 48 and 15 multiplied by 12. When you will do 15 multiplied by 12, you will get the answer 180. So you have the answer here 180. Now again we have to reduce it because these are the very big numbers. So by which number we have to divide it? We have to think for it. So what we can do, it's better to find the HCF. You get the answer, that is 48 upon 180. So what we will do? We will do the HCF by the long division method. Now as 180 is bigger number, so that will be your dividend, and 48 is a smaller number. 48 2s are 96, 48 3s are 144, and 48 4s will be bigger number. 48 4s are 192 and our number is smaller. So you have to use 48 threes are. That is 144. So 10 minus 4, 6, 7 minus 4, 3 and 1 minus 1, 0. So 48. As 36 and 48, 36 multiplied by 2, you will have 72. It will be bigger number. So you have to use 1s. That is 36. So 8 minus 6, 2 and 4 minus 3, 1. So 12 and here it will be 36. So definitely 12 multiplied by 3, you will have 36. So you will get here 0, 0. So 12 is your last divisor and that is your HCF. So what you are going to do, you get the answer, that is 48 upon 180. You will divide both the numbers by 12. If you will divide both the numbers by 12, you will get the answer 48 divided by 12. You will have the answer 4 and 180 divided by 12. You will have the answer 50. This will be your final answer. See, that only we have got here also. Same thing is given. In this way you have to do it. Then the B, in the B, it is just like same, but little bit changes are there that I will explain you. Again in the B, 6 upon 4 multiplied by 7 upon 2, that is numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. 6 sevens are 6 sevens are 42 and 4 twos are 8. By just observing, we can see that both the numbers are directly divisible by 2. No need to find out the HCF because as 8 is there, so you will get the answer 21 upon 4. Now if you get the answer 21 upon 4, this is an improper fraction. So you have to convert the fraction into mixed fraction. That also we have learned previously, that you have to do it by yourself. Then in the same way, the second example is there, 15 upon 14 multiplied by 2 upon 5. So you will have your answer, that is 15 multiplied by 2, that, just a second, 15 numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator, you will get the answer 30, and 14 multiplied by 5, you will get the answer, that is 70. If you divide both the numbers by 10, you will get the answer 3 upon 7. So next example, that is 48 upon 21 and 7 upon 24. So multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So what you are going to get, 48 multiplied by 7, that is 336. Just a second. That is 48 multiplied by 7, 336, and 21 multiplied by 24, that is 504. So as these numbers are very bigger, it is very difficult to find the numbers. So it's better to use the HCF method by the long division. That will help us a lot. That by which number we have to divide it, so that we get the lowest term. So what we will do, as 504 is bigger and 336 is smaller, so ones are 336. So you will get the answer, that is 8 then 6, and then 1. And 336 as your divisor will become your dividend, and then 168 twos are 336. What you will get? 0 0. So 168 is your last divisor, and that is your HCF of 336 and 504. So it's very easy. Now if we divide directly 336 and 504 by 168, we will get the direct answer. Let us see that. Our numbers are 336 and 504. It is 0. Divide by 168. Divide by 168. That you can do it. And you will get the answer 336 divided by 168. You will get the answer 2. And 504 divided by 168, you will get the answer 3. So your answer is 2 upon 3. See, here also the same thing is given for the third example. You get the answer 2 upon 3, but there is a procedure that I have explained how to do it. Show there the long division method for the HCF so that it is easy for you. In this way, you have to do the examples of B. For the C we will do it later on. You do only A and B. Thank you, children.